What if I told you that you don't need to spend hours at the gym or follow some extreme diet to get in shape? You don't need to punish yourself to get results. Forget the no pain, no gain lie. That's right, forget everything you thought you knew. Science shows there's a smarter, lazier way to burn fat and build lean muscle without killing yourself with cardio or endless weights. You don't need to suffer to get shredded. You just need to get smarter. We're talking maximum results with minimal effort. This is the lazy man's blueprint for a leaner, stronger, healthier body. Intrigued? Let's break it down. Let's talk NEAT. Non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It's your secret fat-burning machine you didn't know you had. NEAT is the calories you burn doing everyday things. Walking, cleaning, even fidgeting. Small changes add up fast. Stand more, pace during calls, walk the dog. NEAT keeps your metabolic fire burning all day long. No gym, no sweat, just smart movement. It's like a calorie-burning engine running in the background. No gym required. It can burn up to 2,000 extra calories a day. Studies show people with high NEAT levels are naturally leaner, even if they never work out. Let's talk about training smarter, not harder, with slow eccentric training. Hate lifting heavy? You don't need to. Slow it down. Build muscle without heavy weights. Just slow down the lowering phase of each rep. It causes greater muscle breakdown and hypertrophy without the need for heavy weights. Take 4 to 5 seconds to lower yourself during push-ups or squats. More time under tension means more muscle growth. It's like squeezing more juice out of the same lemon. 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 slow reps is all you need. Focus on the negative, feel the burn, and watch your gains grow. Listen up, guys, because this is where things get really efficient. We are talking about compound exercises. Your one-stop shop for a full body workout that torches fat and builds muscle simultaneously. We're talking push-ups, squats, rows, planks, deadlifts, movements that work multiple muscle groups at once, giving you the biggest results in the shortest time. Think about it. Why waste time isolating individual muscles when you can hit them all in one go? That's the beauty of compound movements. You're getting more bang for your buck, working smarter, not harder. These exercises spike testosterone, burn more calories, and build functional strength. 2 to 3 full body sessions a week is all you need to see major results. Focus on perfect form, challenge yourself, and watch your body transform. Let's talk about intermittent fasting, the ultimate lazy person's hack for fat loss. Forget calorie counting or restrictive diets. What if skipping breakfast was your best fat loss tool? Intermittent fasting is all about timing your meals to maximize your body's natural fat burning potential. We're talking about the 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat in an 8-hour window. It's simpler than it sounds. Skip breakfast, have your first meal at noon, finish your last meal by 8 p.m., and you're good to go. Intermittent fasting not only triggers fat burning, but also boosts your hormones and improves insulin sensitivity. It's like hitting the reset button on your metabolism. Remember, you still eat what you love, just in a smaller window. Now, let's talk about fuel. Forget complicated recipes and endless meal prep. Muscles don't care how gourmet your food is. They care about protein. We're all about simple, protein-packed meals that require minimal effort. Protein curbs cravings, repairs muscle, and boosts your metabolism via thermogenesis. Think Greek yogurt with a handful of nuts, a protein shake blended with a banana, hard-boiled eggs with a side of fruit, or cottage cheese topped with berries. These are just a few examples, guys. Get creative. Protein is key for building and repairing muscle tissue, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, and boosting your metabolism. Protein has the highest satiety score, meaning you feel fuller, longer, with fewer calories. Plus, it's delicious. Now for the laziest and most enjoyable part of the program, sleep. That's right, guys. Quality sleep is absolutely crucial when it comes to burning fat and building muscle. The less you do while sleeping, the more your body recovers and burns fat. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased fat storage and muscle breakdown. Not what we want. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Ditch the screens at least an hour before bed. Try some magnesium or a relaxing deep breathing routine to optimize your sleep. Sleep is your hormonal reset button. It controls your appetite, muscle repair, and energy for the next day. Sleep is like free personal training, happening while you dream. Trust me, your body will thank you. You don't need to train like an athlete or starve to transform your body. You need strategy. You don't need beast mode, you need smart mode. Forget the no pain, no gain mentality. We're all about smart work and maximum efficiency. Move more without working out. That's need. Train smarter, not harder, with eccentric and compound moves. Eat protein, sleep deep, and time your meals right. It's that simple. It's not lazy, it's efficient. And the best part is, it gets results. Do less, but do it better. And watch your body transform while you barely break a sweat. Want a full Lazy Gains weekly plan? A step-by-step blueprint to unlock your full potential? Just say the word. Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more game-changing fitness tips. Let's do this. See you next time. Keep watching MedGroww and take care of yourself.